Putting together a pellet grill, obviously 20 by 36. We've got some meat slingers with the offset firebox and the pellet hopper on one side. Again, this is the meat slinger here. We've got another meat slinger there with the offset and the hopper there. Let's see what we got on the inside here on these. Oh yeah, baby. The light ain't too good, but there you go. Look at all those racks, man. That's what I'm talking about. Heat shield, grease pans, little front shelf, drip bar, whatever you want to call it, foot brakes. Yes sir, we're about to ship these out. In fact, they're getting them ready now to ship out. Oh, here it goes. Dual Iron Chef burner. This is badass, guys. 160,000 BTUs each burner. Easily hold an 80-quart pot, no problems. You got your tank holder. This one has D-rings. By the way, this windbreaker, I call it a windbreaker, is removable, it's detachable all the way around. So if you need to throw a bigger pot on there, you can do it. This is for DLP. Got an insane burner, running 300,000 plus dual jets. That's really badass. Check my videos out on that one, man. And they're prepping a pit here. Look, another DLP pit. Cut out with our Torchmate CNC plasma 5x10 or 4510 table. Backyard Classic Chef. Let's see what we got in here. Got us a party gator being built. Party gator right there. We got a big boy dual hopper pellet smoker here. Gonna be a hopper on that side and a hopper on that side, wide cut 24 by 60 single door counterweighted. And we got, there's a plasma table, and we got meat slinger being worked on out there. And Ritch Robin, see ya.